Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. It is springtime, April the 3rd, and I'm finally opening up my Christmas present from my in-laws. It is the Ryobi One 18-volt cordless edger Coupe Borderos Sans Fil de 18 volts of 18 volts, something like that. That's it. Anyway, this is the tool only. So here we go. So I took everything out of the box. Looks like it comes in a couple pieces. There's the handle. Looks like it got a quick connect. There's the end. So it just plugs electrical here. So the motor's down here at the bottom. Here's the blade. It's supposed to be a 9-inch blade. This is a fancy blade. I need to get a couple extras, I guess, or something. There's the wheel, the other wheel. And it, like I said, it's the tool only. But right over here, I happen to have a 18-volt battery. This one's a 4-amp. Ryobi makes some good stuff. I have lots of batteries and lots of stuff. So here we go, I'm gonna put it together. Show you. I went ahead and put it together. Put the battery in. Has a nice handle. It was pretty easy right here. Just slid right in. Electrical connection. And I just tested it a minute ago. It has some good power. So what we're gonna do is, all you gotta do is pull the trigger. It's actually going faster. The camera makes it look like it's doing some weird stuff, but it's not. Actually, that's pretty neat. So let's use it. All right, so we're all done. Wow. I haven't blown it off yet, but as you can see, it does a great job. Went all the way up to the neighbor's yard a little bit, but that's okay, I think. Anyway, let's compare it back to the other side. That's the normal weed eater side, and that's with the edger, the Ryobi 18-volt. Has plenty of power, it seemed like. And my grass is kind of muddy because we had lots of rain. So it's kind of easier to do. It's probably the best time to do it when it's a little wet. All right, so I went ahead and did the whole yard, which is just that guy and all that. And this, which is nice, because I do have a glass door there, and weeders sometimes use sling rocks to break glass doors. With this, it does limit that. Anyway, I think it worked great, easy to use, plenty of battery power left, didn't take too long. I'll have to see how much blades cost, but it should make it a little while. I think it's very good. And an excellent present, and I recommend it. Thanks. Bye.